Imagine waking up to the soft sound of rain tapping against the giant panoramic windows beside your bed. You open your eyes, stretch your arms, and instead of seeing the walls of a normal house, you see the endless mountains of Colorado, or the wide-open desert of Arizona, or maybe the morning fog rolling gently across a lakeside in Oregon. Now imagine doing all of this inside a $1 million luxury double-decker RV home. And for one family of 6, this isn't a dream. It isn't a vacation. This is their everyday life. They left behind their traditional home, their routines, their old lifestyle, and move into what might be the most incredible moving mansion ever built. A 2026 luxury double-decker RV, designed like a modern 2-floor house on wheels. And today, we're taking you inside this unbelievable rolling home, a vehicle that has redefined what full-time living truly means. So buckle up, because this might be the first time you see a motorhome where the more you explore, the more unbelievable it becomes. From the outside, the 2026 luxury double-decker RV already feels different. At nearly 45 feet long and standing tall with its 2-story design, this vehicle looks more like a futuristic tour bus than a family home. The dark metallic finish, the sleek LED running lights, and the massive tinted windows give it a bold, almost celebrity coach appearance. But what really sets it apart is how it transforms once the family parks. A power-assisted hydraulic system gently raises the roof deck railing. A hidden staircase folds silently out from the back. And just like that, the family now has access to a full rooftop terrace. Up here, they enjoy sunrise breakfasts, evening dinners, stargazing nights, or simply a quiet moment with a hot cup of coffee while watching the world change around them every few days. The kids call it the world's biggest balcony, and honestly, it feels exactly like that. Stepping through the main entry door, the first thing you feel inside is space. Not cramped RV space, but real, home-like spaciousness. This is the ground floor, a complete modern living area designed to handle the daily rhythm of a full family of 6. The living room features a full-size L-shaped sofa wrapped in premium leather. Large panoramic windows on both sides flood the space with natural light, making the entire room feel open, warm, and airy. A 55-inch smart TV sits tucked inside a soft-close cabinet, rising smoothly when needed with a soft electric hum. What makes this area even more impressive is how the RV uses every inch intelligently. There's storage under the seats, storage in the floor, hidden cabinets in the walls. It's shocking how much this RV can carry without ever looking messy or cluttered. Just a few steps ahead is the full-size kitchen, and I truly mean full-size. A deep stainless steel sink, a modern induction cooktop, a convection oven, and a huge residential refrigerator make this kitchen feel more like a tiny luxury apartment than a motorhome. The quartz-style countertops brighten the space, and soft LED accent lighting gives the whole kitchen a cozy evening glow. The mother says this is her favorite corner of the entire RV because unlike their old home, she can cook breakfast while watching the kids play outside, with a new view every few days. For her, that simple change turned cooking from a routine into a moment of joy. Moving further toward the rear of the ground floor, we reach the master bedroom. This room is warm, calm, and surprisingly private, exactly what parents need when traveling with 4 children. A comfortable queen-size bed sits at the center, surrounded by soft lighting, built-in overhead storage, and 2 large side windows that bring in beautiful morning light. There's also a full wardrobe closet, a small work desk for remote tasks, and even a hidden safe built directly into the cabinetry for valuables. Just next door is the main bathroom, and it's honestly one of the most luxurious bathrooms ever installed inside a motorhome. It features a proper walk-in shower with a rainfall showerhead, a modern vanity with LED mirrors, a flushing toilet, and enough space to move around comfortably. There's no cramped RV feeling here. This is closer to a mini hotel bathroom. And now we head to the part that makes this RV truly special for a family of 6, the second floor. The staircase leads upward to the upper deck, and the moment you reach the top, the vibe completely changes. This entire floor belongs to the kids. For beds, 2 on each side, each with privacy curtains, personal reading lights, individual charging ports, and small storage pockets for toys, books, or gadgets. It's like a tiny personal cabin for each child. The center area acts as a little lounge where the kids study, read, play games, or just enjoy the elevated panoramic view from the second floor windows. It also doubles as their gaming zone, and yes, the RV has its own Wi-Fi system strong enough to handle schoolwork and entertainment. The parents say the biggest surprise was how peaceful the upper floor feels. It's almost like a small treehouse built into the RV, a place where the kids can escape into their own little world while still being close to the family. And because the RV is fully insulated with high-quality sound-dampening materials, the upper and lower levels stay very quiet from each other, a massive benefit for a large family trying to balance kids' noise with parents' rest time. Of course, a luxurious home is only as good as its power system, and this RV has been engineered for real off-grid living. It features a massive lithium battery bank, dual inverters, solar panels mounted across the roof, an onboard generator, and large fresh, gray, and black water tanks. It also comes with a 3-zone climate control system, diesel heating, and high-efficiency insulation. All of this means the family can travel deep into nature, deserts, mountains, forests, without needing to rely on RV parks. The RV also offers more than 300 cubic feet of exterior storage. Bikes, tools, folding tables, camping chairs, outdoor gear, toys, and even a portable grill. Everything fits neatly without cluttering their interior living space. When it comes to driving, the 2026 double-decker RV surprisingly offers a smooth and comfortable experience. The elevated driving position provides a commanding view of the road, and the air suspension system keeps the ride soft, even with the weight of 2 floors. The father says the hardest part is not driving it, but deciding where to go next. One week they're parked near the ocean. The next week they're camping near mountain lakes. And sometimes they find themselves enjoying a calm evening in open farmland with nobody else in sight. For them, this RV isn't just transportation, it's freedom. So what exactly makes this 2026 luxury double-decker RV so unique? First, it offers actual 2-floor living space. Most RVs feel like one extended room, but this one gives genuine separation. The ground floor is for the parents, and the second floor is entirely for the kids. It gives everyone privacy while still keeping the family together. Second, the layout feels like a real home. There's a true living room, a full kitchen, a proper bedroom, and a comfortable bathroom. It doesn't feel like travel space. It feels like a compact but luxurious house. Third, the lifestyle flexibility is unmatched. Homeschooling, remote work, family travel, adventure. This RV adapts to all of it. Fourth, the rooftop deck is a feature almost no RV offers at this level. It transforms the family's outdoor lifestyle, from family dinners to quiet sunsets under the open sky. Fifth, it is built for serious off-grid living. With solar batteries and large tanks, the family doesn't need to rely on campgrounds unless they want to. And finally, unlike most RVs designed for 2 or maybe 4 people, this one comfortably supports a family of 6. And now a quick question for you. If you were living in this RV, where would you take it first? A mountain? A lake? Desert? Or maybe a beach town? Let me know your dream destination in the comments. I genuinely love hearing your ideas. At the end of the day, this isn't just a $1 million luxury RV. It's a reminder of what life can be when you choose freedom over routine, when you choose adventure over expectation, and when you choose meaningful time with your family over everything else. This double-decker RV isn't just a home on wheels. It's a moving story, a moving life, a moving dream. And for this family of 6, that dream is only just beginning. If you enjoyed this tour and want more incredible motorhome stories like this, don't forget to like the video, write your thoughts below, and subscribe to the channel for more reviews, adventures, and lifestyle journeys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.